Okay, the spray truck started up on right away good itself, and the 5 horsepower engine on the sprayer also started up with the first pull, and it ran really well through the entire tank without stopping. So that was really good. That's what went really well today. Everything ran good, and I'm really happy about that. I was able to spray the entire tank out without stopping. So that went really well for that field over there today. And then I had about 1 hour I could use to work in the shop. So I started doing something with the 1997 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme SL right here. So what I did with that is I took the oil pressure gauge off that was here, not ended here, and I also put that bracket back in, and that's where I adjusted it so that would be in a straight line. In order to do that, I had to pull this out, install that, and then put this back in, this piece right here. So that's why it took a while. And also we're trying everything we can think of to make it really clean and perfect. So I did thread lock this right here, the fastener going in, and clean it all up good. So just taking my time and making sure it's going to be right the first time. That's the key to this. Should be a really good running engine. And we'll figure out how to get a transmission that will match that. So it's a good looking car, and it ought to be a really fun ride when it's complete. So that's what went down today, this morning, and I'm pretty much out of time for right now, so I'll be picking things up and going back to the house. So this is John Reedy, and I'll see you later. Bye.